पळय एखादें भुरगें 10 किल उखलप म्हणजे इक्विवलंट टू जाणट्यान 100 किल उखललेल्या भशेन न्हय. म्हणजे व्हॅल्यू वायज इट इज ऑलमोस्ट सेम, बट गोवा इज व्हेरी स्मॉल एरिया, सो द इम्पॅक्ट इज मच मोर. इट इज मच मोर दॅन बेल्लारी. नाही नाही, इल्लिगल मायनिंग इज अ डिफरंट इशू अँड द इम्पॅक्ट ऑफ इट इज अ डिफरंट इशू. इम्पॅक्ट जो आसा पळय तो हांव 10-15 पटीन चड म्हणटा, कारण ल्हान एरिया असल्यामुळे. तूं विचारता ते इल्लिगल मायनिंग कितलें, जाल्यार म्हजो एस्टिमेट अरावंड 22%. 22%, मे बी 20 to 30% मदीं आसतलो. एक्झॅक्ट नो वन कॅन प्रेडिक्ट. हय, हाजेर हांव उत्तर दिता. तुवें म्हाका रायट प्रश्न विचारलो, हांव तुका उत्तर ताजेर सांगता. दॅट इज एक्झॅक्टली वॉट वी आर सेयींग. वेन आय से इल्लिगल मायनिंग does not mean you have to be owner of a mine or you have to steal mine from somewhere. You can be transporter of a illegal mine, you can be extractor of the illegal mine, you can be buyer of the illegal mine, and you can be seller of the illegal mine. गोंयच्या काँग्रेसच्या अध्यक्षान स्पश्टपणे मान्य केलें की तो मायनिंग बिझनेसान आसा आनी देर आर सम इरेग्युलरिटीज. सेल्फ गोल हांवें पळोवंक नासलो हाजे पेक्षा. दीस इज डायरेक्ट एक्सेप्टन्स दॅट द काँग्रेस मेंबर्स, कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स, द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द पार्टी इज डायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्वड इन मायनिंग एक्टिविटी which has many irregularities. Let us use his words. So any irregularity, Robin Hood, स्वताची रॉबिन हूड हें बरोबर आसा. जनतेच्या हिता खातीर थंय लूट मारप आनी मागीर तें काडून जनतेक कितें तरी एक ल्हानशी पोटली चवथीक किंवा आनीक केन्ना तरी धाडप ते लुटींच्यान. ना, मशिनरीचें म्हाका दिसता ताजेर हांव वचचो ना, कित्याक ते RTO, इफ यू यूज इट विथीन द प्रायवेट झोन, देर इज सम क्वेश्चन मार्क ऑन दॅट. RTO इज फायटींग दॅट मॅटर इन द कोर्ट, इफ आय एम नॉट मिस्टेकन. मायनीच्या ट्रान्सपोर्टेशनान म्हज्या म्हायती प्रमाणे कोण ना. ट्रान्सपोर्टेशनान दुसरे आले हांव नको, म्हाका खबर ना. ट्रक ओनर आसूंक शकता, पण मायन ट्रान्सपोर्ट करप वेगळो आनी ट्रक ओनर असो वेगळो. मायनीच्या धंद्यान कोण ना, मायनीचो ट्रान्सपोर्ट करणारो कोण ना, मायनीचो माल उखलून हांगाचो थंय हाडणारो कोण ना, मायनीच्या हाका मशीन घालणारो कोण ना, विकत घेवपी ना आनी विकपी ना. ट्रान्सपोर्ट बिझनेस आय डोंट नो, दे मे बी इन द ट्रान्सपोर्ट बिझनेस. ट्रान्सपोर्ट बिझनेस अदरवायज इज परफेक्टली लिगल. Karnataka is a very big state. So if there is a particular quantum of illegal mining in Karnataka, the impact is divided over the state, which is much bigger in size. Goa is a very small area, probably smaller than Bellary. That's why if Goa matches Karnataka's illegal mining in Bellary, Andhra's illegal mining across border of Bellary, Karnataka's illegal mining in Chittoor or other district, all together जितले mining आहा पळय तितले इल्लेशे गोंयान आसा. So the impact is multifold. एनवायरमेंट इम्पॅक्ट म्हणटा हांव, म्हणजे डॅमेज जी आसता ती चड जाता ऑटोमॅटिकली सायज ल्हान असल्यामुळे. टोटल क्वांटम वायज इज ऑलमोस्ट सेम. सरप्रायझींग, द व्हॅल्यू वायज इट इज सेम ऑलमोस्ट. 1,52,00,000 म्हज्या हिशोबा प्रमाणे डायरेक्ट गेल्या 5 वर्सान एक्सपोर्ट जाला. 1,52,00,000 टन, 15.2 million टन has been exported during last 5 years without payment of royalty. This itself is a direct royalty theft. There is lot of other mine which is illegally extracted but royalty paid by showing it either on a legal mine or showing it on illegal mine also sometimes. तातूंत सरकारचें नुकसान सगळ्यांक सांगता. खूब जाणांक हो पॉयंट लक्षात येना. लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक दॅट रॉयल्टी लॉस इज द ओनली गव्हर्मेंट लॉस, बट माय एस्टिमेट इज हाफ ऑफ द dump item which is extracted are from the forest area, and the forest has been giving permissions. I don't understand how. It is their property, like tree, that is also their property. So if there is any diversion of forest or permission from forest to remove a dump from forest area, the dump should belong to forest department. It is government of Goa, and they should collect the money out of it. They should sell it on auction. इतले बोवाळ घालतकच आतां तांच्यांनी डंप हे केल्या खंय कितें म्हणटा ते देव गॉट रेकॉर्ड ऑफ द डंप. आय एम नॉट सेईंग सील्ड बट देव गॉट नाव रेकॉर्ड ऑफ द डंप्स. कितें नाही नाही पयली एक गजाल आसा शाक राव मरे सांगता मरे तुवें प्रश्न विचारलो उतर. पयली गजाल मायनींग डायरेक्टराच्या संदर्भात हांवें कॉमेंट इतल्याकूच मारूं ना कारण PACच्या हातून जे कितें कॉमेंट येतले पळय तातूंतल्यान कोण जबाबदार आहा त्यो गजाली समोर आयल्या मुळे हांव आत्तां ताजेर कॉमेंट करून प्रिएम्प्ट करूंक शकना. कित्याक इफ आय मेक अ नेगेटीव कॉमेंट you will say that he is left free in PAC. If I make a positive comment, you will say again he is indicted in PAC. So I have not made comment. In fact, I have restricted myself on lot of issues only because of chairmanship of PAC. Issue number 2, as a PAC chairman, I cannot go to Shah Commission because PAC is an like an small house assembly. PAC chairman statutory authority asati plus it is like a house. And proceedings of the house cannot be divulged to anyone unless it is given to the house. I would be committing breach of privilege if I give that information to PAC. Now I could have gone to Shah in the hat of MLA or a leader of opposition. But when I inquired, I was there sitting in my office. When I inquired what is happening at the secretariat, I realized that it is becoming a free-for-all fight between the supporters of miners and those who were opposing the mines. So I rightly restrained myself from going there because I don't want to be party of fighting chaos there. If Shah wanted public to, particularly the MLAs and others, to depose or give them information, they should have declared time for it. Unluckily, they didn't declare time for that. They said that whatever public or NGO has to say, let it come between 11 to 1 or something like that. In that, there was a melee already. There was no point in going there.
But whether the BJP has submitted any written memorandum to the Shah Commission?
What is the point? Because this, let me be one step, I will go ahead and further and explain you. Mine is a very complicated issue. How mine become legal and how it becomes illegal. A particular dump, if it is within the lease area, removing it is legal as long as you follow the limit of EC, environment clearance. The same dump just outside the lease area, removal is illegal. So all these fine aspects cannot be written down in a small memorandum. They can be explained. Again, it varies for every TC number.